In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and then copy or cut any text. Now to paste it instantly, click at the top of your keyboard over here. Sorry, misclick. And to paste it later on, click on Clipboard icon, also at the top, and click on your text here. To pin it, hold it and use this pin at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it again and this time use this pin. Then hit delete in the pop-up. To go back to your standard keyboard, use this icon of a keyboard at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!